honest, do you feel like LinkedIn is just for content creators and your profile doesn't matter? Well, let me stop you right there. Your LinkedIn profile is your personal brand. It's working for you even when you're not. And here's the thing. A fully completed profile is 40 times more likely to attract opportunities. Just a few adjustments can lead to more views, greater reach, and even those all-important interview calls. Well, wondering how to turn your LinkedIn profile into a recruiter magnet? Stick around and I'll walk you through it step by step. By the end of this video, your LinkedIn profile will be impossible to ignore. But before we jump in, don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button so that you never miss valuable tips like this. Alright, let's start at the top. The most visible and essential parts of your profile are your profile picture, your banner image, your URL, and your headline. Your profile picture and banner image are the first things people notice when they land on your page. Think of them as digital handshake. They should be professional yet reflect your personality. Now let me show you a quick and easy hack for a polished profile picture. So you have to go to a browser, type background remover, and then you have to just click on the first link that pops out, then upload image. And this will automatically remove your background. You can blur the background as well and change the color. So to change the color, you have to go to background, select color, and your profile picture is ready. So I have created a dummy profile for a reference the same way. Now about your banner image, don't settle for boring or generic stock photos. You can add a tagline, a favorite motivational quote, or something unique about your industry. It's a small change that makes a big impact. Here are some examples that I love. Next up is your profile URL. A messy URL can make your profile sharing a hassle, and who needs that? Instead, customize it. Let me show you. Go to your profile. At the right hand side, there will be public profile and URL. Just click on it and change it to something clean and professional. It's simple, easy to remember, and looks way more polished. Now, let's talk about your headline. Instead of just listing your job title, make it punchy and value-driven. Instead of saying marketing manager, try something like driving business growth through strategic marketing. It tells people what you bring to the table, not just your job. The About section is your storytelling zone. This is where you get to talk about you, your skills, your journey, your passion, and what drives you. Keep it conversational. No one wants to read a dry essay. End with a call to action like, let's connect and explore how we can collaborate. Make it easier for people to reach out. Now scroll down to the experience and education sections. When it comes to your work experience, don't just add tasks. Focus on your achievements. For example, instead of saying managed a team, say headed a team of 10 members to increase operational efficiency by 20%. See the difference? Numbers and action verbs make your profile stand out. As for your education, include certifications, courses, or workshops that will add value to your profile. Bonus point, if they're industry specific, it will show you are continuously growing and staying relevant. Alright, let's talk about the skills, recommendations, and certification. The section that can really set your profile apart. Here's a cool fact. Profiles with listed keywords get 13 times more views. Yes, 13 times. Why? Because these skills work as SEO keywords for recruiters. They'll help you show up in searches and make it clear what you are good at. Here's a pro tip for you. Your top 3 skills are like prime real estate. So make sure these 3 skills are perfectly aligned with the role and opportunities you are aiming for. And don't be shy. Ask colleagues or clients for endorsements. It's a simple way to boost credibility without saying a word. Now that we have covered the essentials, let's move on to the featured section. This is your chance to visually impress recruiters. Use this space to highlight your best work, whether it's projects, articles, presentations, or even awards. Think of it as your personal portfolio. Now with your profile fully optimized, you are ready to take the next big step, connect and conquer. Start by sending personalized connection requests. For example, hi, insert name of the prospect. I came across your post on insert topic and found it really insightful. I'd love to connect and learn more about your work. A little effort goes a long way in building meaningful relationships. Join LinkedIn groups in your industry and participate in discussions. It's a great way to build your network, share your expertise, and connect with like-minded professionals. Your activity on LinkedIn matters. Share posts, celebrate milestones, and engage with others. Each like, comment, and share boosts your visibility and keeps you on recruiters' radars. Here's the secret. The more active you are, the more LinkedIn algorithm works in your favor, which makes you discoverable to recruiters and industry peers. Also, consistency is key. Keep your profile updated and make sure it reflects your personal brand. And that's it. Optimizing your LinkedIn profile is easier than you think. It's all about making small but meaningful changes. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs a LinkedIn makeover, and subscribe to StarAgile for more tips to boost your career. See you next time.